आज हम मौजूद हैं लाहौर की तारीखी शाहरा मॉल रोड पर और जो खूबसूरत और हिस्टोरिकल चर्च इंस्टीट्यूशन हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं वो है यहाँ का कैथीड्रल स्कूल हॉल रोड लाहौर।
The school was established in 1883 and I have come to know that the first principal was also a female.
एक सिस्टम जो कि काफ़ी अरसे से काम कर रहा है बच्चों की तालीम के लिए, तरबियत के लिए, उनके इल्म को उजागर करने के लिए, उसमें कैथीड्रल का बड़ा नाम है, बड़ी एफर्ट्स हैं।
It was focused on serving the educational need across the communities, regardless of faith, regardless from village, school, and anything around the city.
Walking through the gates of Cathedral School, one cannot help but feel the weight of history. Our school is a place where students grow in confidence, character, and creativity.
Hi viewers, I am your host शमीम जॉन and you're watching Churches of Pakistan। आज हम मौजूद हैं लाहौर की तारीखी शाहरा मॉल रोड पर और जो खूबसूरत और हिस्टोरिकल चर्च इंस्टीट्यूशन हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं वो है यहाँ का कैथीड्रल स्कूल हॉल रोड लाहौर। तो आइए इस खूबसूरत इदारे को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। व्यूअर्स, एंग्लिकन चर्च ने पूरी दुनिया में 6th से 9th सेंचुरी के मिड में कैथीड्रल स्कूल सिस्टम का आगाज़ किया, जिसका मकसद ये था कि एंग्लिकन चर्च जहाँ जहाँ मौजूद है वहाँ के प्रीस्ट्स, चर्च वर्कर्स और दीगर ऑफिशियल्स को इंग्लिश की ख़ास तालीम दी जाए और उनकी फैमिलीज़ को, चाहे वो अपने स्टेशन से आउट हैं, उनके बच्चों को मुनासिब तालीमी मौके फ़राहम किए जाए। उसके बाद सब कॉन्टिनेंट में जब एंग्लिकन चर्च ने अपना काम इस खत्ते में शुरू किया तो लाहौर डायसिस का आगाज़ 1877 में हुआ और बहुत खूबसूरत लाहौर कैथीड्रल की बुनियाद रखी गई। और उसी बुनियाद के बाद जैसे ही चर्च तकमील की तरफ बढ़ा तो उन्होंने चर्च वर्कर्स के लिए कैथीड्रल स्कूल का एहतमाम भी किया, जो चर्च की बिल्कुल ऑल्टर की पिछली जानिब उसको तामीर करवाया। कैथीड्रल स्कूल का मकसद ये था कि जो क्लर्जी वर्कर्स, ऑफिशियल्स और दीगर ऑफिसर्स जो इस खत्ते में काम करते हैं उनकी फैमिलीज़ को और बच्चों को मुनासिब तालीम मुहैया की जा सके। और अगर इसकी तारीख़ में देखें तो उनको आला तालीम या ग्रामर स्कूल्स में तालीम इसलिए दिलवाई जाती थी कि वो बाकायदा तौर पर साम्स की रीडिंग या बिब्लिकल स्क्रिप्चर्स की रीडिंग अच्छे और बेहतर अंदाज में कर सके, ताकि जब प्रीस्ट चर्च में सरमन प्रेजेंट करें या दीगर लिटर्जिकल इबादात का अहतमाम करें तो वो बेहतर अंदाज में लिंग्विस्टिकली और नॉलेज के हवाले से बेहतर रिप्रेजेंट कर सकें। लाहौर डायसिस बोर्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन की इस्टेब्लिशमेंट के बाद 1883 में इस स्कूल का संगे बुनियाद रखा गया। मिस वाइट ने इस स्कूल को शुरू किया और जब उन्होंने इस स्कूल को शुरू किया तो सिर्फ 70 स्टूडेंट्स के साथ उन्होंने इसका आगाज़ किया, जिसकी बिल्डिंग कहीं और थी।
मेरा नाम लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल अदील जॉन रिटायर्ड है एंड आई एम एक्स वेटरन फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान आर्मी और मुझे तकरीबन 2 साल से लाहौर डायसिस बोर्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन में काम करने का मौका मिला है। The Lahore Diocesan Board of Education started in its services in subcontinent in 1881. These schools trace back to the 19th century initiatives like the Cathedral and John Connon schools in Bombay, which is now Mumbai, and it was founded in 1860, which was a grammar school and a choir school in Lahore Cathedral School, and under which it was working as under the Church of Pakistan Lahore Diocese Board of Education, and it was focused on serving the educational need across the communities, regardless of faith, regardless from village, school, and anything around the city. The original aimed were at priestly training and the choir support, which was evolved to emphasize the character formation, academic rigor, and moral development for the roles in the church, in the state, or society. These institutions promoted the inclusive education, fostering interfaith harmony and holistic development and growth in the diverse context. Lahore Diocese Board of Education now spreads with the swath of around 1,000 kilometers in entire Punjab, starting from Sahiwal up till Murray Hills. We have around 25 educational institutions, which has technical training institutions, schools up to college and higher secondary education and secondary education. We are having hostels for the deserving families and the poor children. So today we continue to promote the institution, promoting quality education as seen in the Lahore's cathedral system, which expands to the urban and rural areas under the diocesan oversight. This school has a legacy, traditions, heritage, and a long history in Lahore with notable alumni, including presidents of Pakistan, vice presidents of Pakistan, prime ministers, chief justices, and so many other alumni and community activities which we are performing. We are very thankful to Discover Pakistan for being a part of this community, and especially for this program where they are promoting not only the historical buildings, rather I must say this is the heritage, this is the tradition, this is the ritual what they are promoting. And by promoting all these cultures, religions, and the community services of hospitals, mosques, churches, institutions, they are really promoting indeed Pakistan, its deep heritage, its deep tradition, its deep culture, and definitely the love of God.
School which has a name in the city, not only in the city but in the country. Nationally and internationally, a renowned institution. It has a legacy, and there are many well-known, we can say, the former students who had studied here, and they off and on come and visit the school. It's an honor for me working here. And I'm thankful to the Right Reverend Nadeem Kamran, Bishop of Lahore and Chairman, Lahore Diocese Board of Education, that he has given me this challenge to work here, because it's a mother school, it's our mother branch. Yes, the school is different from other schools of Lahore Diocese Board of Education because it has a long history. The school was established in 1883. And I have come to know that the first principal was also a female. Her name was Miss White. She started this school in 1883. And this is different from other schools of Lahore Diocese Board of Education in the way that here we have matric stream, here we have Cambridge stream, and this Cambridge stream started in 1956. If I talk about the judiciary, we had Chief Justice Saqib Nisar Sahab, we had Chief Justice Naseem Hassan Shah Sahab, who were the Chief Justices in the past, and they were the former students of Cathedral School, Hall Road. Yes, as I told you that Cambridge department started in 1956. So during these periods, we really missed one thing, that we should be starting something right from the grassroots level. So this year, under the supervision and leadership of our Bishop of Lahore, the Right Reverend Nadeem Kamran, he gave us this vision that we have to work hard and we have to grow more. So that's why this year we have started already the Cathedral Premier Campus. This is particularly for the preschool students who will be preparing for the O level. So this is sort of junior Cambridge department which we have started, and soon we'll be having the opening ceremony of this department. we have facilitated this department, providing them all the technology, smart boards, and teachers who have been teaching. They are also very trained teachers, Montessori trained teachers, and hopefully we will be integrating the system, this preschool O-level with the senior cameras. So during these years, we'll be preparing them with all these technologies and methodologies, using all these things to pave their way for the upcoming senior Cambridge. So we have been giving them a sort of environment where they can really grow, and they can grow on their own, and they can have that sort of creativity. As we focus on the holistic education, so we are also, as we always focus on the holistic education with the academics, so we are working here in the Cathedral School Premier, which is basically for the O-levels students who are coming to join us in future in the senior Cambridge. So from their early years, we are going to train them so they can come up with the minds that they have to be creative, they have to think creative, and they have to write in also in the creative way. I would say that we work on inclusive education. It's not like it's only for one community or the other community is not allowed to. So majority community, already we have the Muslim community, then the Christian community, even sometimes we do have Hindu community students coming up in the schools. As Pakistanis, we have been giving them the education that they have to be patriotic also to their country. As Pakistanis, we need to give them. So with those things, we also work on the values, the moral values which we have been, and this is particularly, I would say that this is the recognition of our systems, that we work on the values, we work on the moral formation of a moral character formation of the students. This is how we work on, and with that, we also go with the modern trends and modern methodologies for teaching. So for the teachers also, we go for such sort of trainings.
जी, मेरा नाम करीम अहमद जान है और मैं अपने बच्चों के एडमिशन कराने के लिए कैथेड्रल स्कूल आया हूँ। कैथेड्रल स्कूल के बारे में मैंने काफ़ी लोगों से सुना, अपने रिलेटिव्स जो उनके बच्चे यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं, और इससे बढ़ के जो मेरे लिए मोटिवेशनल और चीज़ थी कि एक सिस्टम जो कि काफ़ी अरसे से काम कर रहा है बच्चों की तालीम के लिए, तरबियत के लिए, उनके इल्म को उजागर करने के लिए, उसमें कैथेड्रल का बड़ा नाम है, बड़ी एफर्ट्स हैं, और जो कि बच्चों के तालीम पे काम कर रहे हैं, उनके करैक्टर बिल्डिंग के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं, और उन्हें एक मुस्बत और पॉजिटिव शहरी बनाने के लिए इस मुल्क का, तो इनकी खिदमत हैं। और मैं अपने बच्चों को यहाँ पे एडमिशन करा के एक ट्रस्ट फील कर रहा हूँ, तो ये इन प्रोसेस चल रहा है। और बहुत से स्कूल सिस्टम्स हैं जो कि मुल्क के लिए काम कर रहे होंगे लेकिन बाद में आए होंगे, लेकिन इसका जो मुकाम है एक बुनियाद, पाकिस्तान के बुनियाद में शामिल है, तो जो मेरे लिए इंतहाई जो है मुस्बत कदम उठाने के लिए एक फ़ैसला कुन चीज़ है।
I am so honored to be given this opportunity to share with you my experience as a teacher as well as the head of Cambridge department. This school, Cathedral School Hall Road, has been carrying a legacy because this school was established in 1883. So many people came, so many people left, and so many new people came. And that is the important thing about this school. This is a history that we have, that for so many years the school is giving quality education to the students, producing so many amazing personalities. With that, one of the most important things that we offer in this school is the Cambridge education, which started in 1956. Since then, it has been 70 years that we have been rendering services in this school for Cambridge studies. Cambridge education is an international curriculum, and we are giving this education to the student based on the modern quality education, which is as requirement of the British Council in Pakistan. And Cambridge University is the university which is supervising and administrating this Cambridge studies. And this school has produced so many beautiful people and amazing personalities personalities. That is why this education is important. We encourage our students, our teachers are very qualified, and we have seen the transformation because since 1883 and now 2026, it's been 70 years. And we have seen a transformation from the old conventional methods to the modern digital era. And now people are getting more equipped with AI tools and everything, and that is what we are introducing now in the education. Teachers are more concerned for the students, and we have very qualified and very experienced teachers who are guiding the students, not only for that they are following the British Council curriculum, but they are also letting the students to be groomed morally as well. We ask the student to participate in competitions, like we have debate competitions here, and we follow the same convention methods that have been going on for many years. We call them our LDB annual debates. With that, we have our sports competitions. Our students are also very actively participating in science competitions, and there are so many exhibitions that go on. With that, more extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities are there so the students to participate. And we are grateful to God that we are given this opportunity to share with you how our students are excelling. This education is not only making students more successful in Pakistan but around the world. Our students are also excelling in different parts of the world.
Good morning, respected guests, honorable teachers, and my dear fellows. It is a great honor to welcome you to our school today. We are truly delighted by your presence and hope you have a wonderful and memorable visit. Walking through the gates of Cathedral School, one cannot help but feel the weight of history. Our school is a place where students grow in confidence, character, and creativity. With the support of our dedicated teachers, it is an environment where curiosity is encouraged and every student is inspired to reach their full potential. I would especially like to highlight our Cambridge department, which promotes critical thinking, problem solving, and a deep understanding of concepts through engaging and modern teaching methods. It prepares us not only for the exams, but for the challenges of the future. Along with the academics, we are encouraged to take part in co-curricular activities, helping us become confident and well-rounded individuals. We warmly welcome you and hope you enjoy your visit.
I am an 8th grader. I came from Shekhupura. I came here in Cathedral School Hall Road, Lahore to do O-levels. The school grooms us very well. The teachers don't only teach us for our exams, they make us groom for our future. And I love the way how teachers give us confidence. And I love the way how they give us the chance to and opportunities to participate in the competitions like speech competitions, debate competitions, and games competitions. I've been a student in the school for about 10 years and I've always had a positive experience. Our school has amazing teachers. They always help us clear our concepts and think independently. Our school also offers extracurricular activities such as sports and debates. Everyone in our school is really supportive and make us feel welcomed and guided.
मेरा नाम शमाइला अमजद है और बेसिकली मैं टोबा टेक्सिंग से हूँ, लेकिन करंटली मैं लाहौर में रह रही हूँ और रिसेंटली मैंने ज्वाइन किया है कैथीड्रल स्कूल सिस्टम को और मैं यहाँ पे एज एन इंग्लिश टीचर अपॉइंट हुई हूँ और ओ लेवल बच्चों को पढ़ा रही हूँ और ये मेरा बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है सो फार। और मैं बच्चों को सिर्फ लैंग्वेज ही नहीं सिखा रही बल्कि मैं उनका फ्यूचर भी बिल्ड कर रही हूँ कि इन फ्यूचर वो जाके अपनी लाइफ में कैसे अपने करियर को डेवलप कर सकते हैं।
जी तो व्यूअर्स, ये था हमारा चर्चेज ऑफ पाकिस्तान की सीरीज का एक और शानदार प्रोग्राम कैथीड्रल स्कूल हॉल रोड, चर्च ऑफ पाकिस्तान पर। उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपने इस खूबसूरत तालीमी इदारे की खिदमत और इसकी बिल्डिंग आर्किटेक्चर के हवाले से काफ़ी मालूमात हासिल की होगी। आपसे मुलाकात होगी चर्चेज ऑफ पाकिस्तान में एक और खूबसूरत इदारे के साथ। अपने होस्ट शमीम जॉन को दीजिए इजाज़त, तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़। कीप वॉचिंग डिस्कवर पाकिस्तान, सबसे प्यारा पाकिस्तान।